I was in pain for 3 to 4 years before I had the surgery. And it was just getting worse and worse, but it was in my hip. When it finally started moving into my back, I saw Dr. Drake. He pinpointed the problem right away. And I had the surgery about 6 weeks later. And one day later, I was up walking around, and both of my kids noticed that I was an inch taller. And I was able to stand up straight for literally the first time in years. So that was absolutely terrific and completely pain-free when I woke up. So the problem was immediately resolved, which was, more than I could have hoped for. I was back to work in 2 weeks, obviously with restrictions, but after that, after my 6-month review, Dr. Drake's message to me was, go live your life. Actually, I was referred by my primary physician, and after meeting with Dr. Drake, I did some more online research on core orthopedics and found that, just from top to bottom, these were the experts. These were the guys who knew what they were doing. In terms of the office staff and getting everything rolling, it really was pretty amazing, and it was, I have to say, no offense to my primary, but it was easier getting scheduled and set up, and all of the appointments was very nearby where I worked. Because I started very early in the morning, I was able to get the first in the morning appointments. That was never an issue. So that was very, very smooth. At the hospital after surgery, it had taken a little bit longer. I think there was actually some scheduling delays after I went in. My wife had gone to get some dinner. When I woke up in the recovery room, Dr. Drake was the one person in the room. And he was right there checking the vitals to him, feeling in my one leg and this and that, where he had done the procedure and what it would affect from my spine. Everything was fine. I asked him to hand me my rosary. He knew right where to look in my bag. And he said, I'll see you in the morning. Have a great night. So it really couldn't have been better. It was a 5 and going downhill before. My quality of life right now is a 9.5 with an up arrow. Tremendous. Everything about this has been so professional that I just can't say enough about it. He really gets my highest recommendation.